into attack number 3 right now, and you got to feel like the pressure has been building up for these guys. Joker is someone, though, who was able to take that awkward position that Rest started in last war and push it through. Even when his team was still behind, he was putting 3 stars up. So what is he going to be able to do now that his team is tied against arguably maybe the best clan in this event? Certainly the highest ranked seed clan in this event. The Unicorns of Love's Wado will be on defense against Joker's charge with Dragon Riders.
I wonder if he feels more pressure here going up against the #1 seed or in the last match where his team were behind. Either way, like you said, he's using the Dragon Riders. He did use a Hydra attack earlier on today, but relatively similar. Obviously feels like the charge is better for this one. Already taking out the single target Inferno is a definite bonus, as he can now deal with the Clan Castle troops relatively easily. Not sure if he even got the full pull there, but kind of must have, I guess. We've got a couple of sneaky goblins moving into the second. There we go, Clan Castle troops coming out, but he is lining up the sneaky goblins with an invisibility for the Town Hall, Woody. This is pretty risky.
Okay, all right. Did manage to get the rest of that CC pull out and has having to drop a few spells to kind of freeze and slow down these super minions, make sure that everything is going to be lined up lickety-split. And like you mentioned there, sneaky goblins going in, triggering a bomb. Really great job making sure that they're protected there with that invisibility spell. It's going to be an easy stab at the Town Hall, looting it for all it's worth. Joker's going to be setting up now for the main phase of the attack, which is coming in a little bit late now. We're at the 1:30 mark. And I think that finally, if we zoom out and pan away a little bit, we can see the rest of the attack coming in off the top. A Grand Warden protecting with an early Eternal Tome. They've got to do a fast sprint to this Eagle Artillery, which is just going to be pounding away at them, trying to spread out and not let any splash damage structures get that big damage off on them. But what's happening down in the middle? It looks like a lost Royal Champion and Queen trying to find their way onto something worth shooting.
They're actually doing pretty good thinning out that other side because the Queen lost her healers. That was a big blow for Joker, but thankfully the Dragon Riders have actually moved through. The Royal Champion is within 1 strike of getting the scatter shot, and that could be the difference maker here because it will fire to the Dragon Riders. He uses that final freeze, gets the air defense. 3 Dragon Riders with 3 defenses left. There goes the first one. Does he have enough time is the question, Woody. There is a gold storage in the middle, and we can't quite see how many hit points it has. Here come the minions. Can they get it with 20 seconds remaining?
Running late on time, but Joker is one to bring down the house with a final punchline. Bam! Right at the center of this base. That gold storage finished off for the 3-star